Welcome to Sales Rocket. This training video will get you started in the system. You should have recently received an email inviting you to reset your password and then log in for your very first time. And once you do that, you're going to want to watch this video. So real quick, two things. First is the big gear. The big gear is for universal settings. So when you click on the big gear, you can see there's things like importing data, app setup, users, things of that sort. Over here on your face is what I call the little gear. So I want you to click on your little gear right now. So the little gear is to personalize the system for you. And you're going to see these settings show up once you click on the little gear. And so step one will be to click on the personal setting, and you can upload your face. Make sure all of your data is accurate. Actually put your cell phone in and receive text messages, text reminders from the system. Make sure all of your information is loaded and accurate, and then create a signature for you. You already have probably an Outlook or a Gmail signature. You can just copy that and paste it inside and replicate what you have here. So that's going to be step one, to get your signature set up and personalize this page. Then we're going to go actually connect your email. And again, I'm assuming you've got Gmail, Outlook, or some sort of a webmail system. If it's Gmail, Outlook, it runs smoothly. If it's a webmail service outside of those two, we probably are going to have to IMAP it. We'll have a conversation if that's the case. So go ahead and click on third party. Now I've already connected mine, so it looks a little bit different. Yours is just going to have a place for you to put your email in and then say connect. So once you do that, it will take you to a screen where you're going to have to know your email password. So go ahead and go through that process, and you'll see that it's going to ask you a couple questions. One of the questions is about how far back do you want to sync your emails. So again, we are two-way syncing. So every email that you send to a client is being tracked in your system here. So we have the ability to go 6 months into the past on each client and have all of those notes appear in their timeline. If you want to do that, great. If you're a brand new rep, don't need to do it. But if you've got some historical information that you want to have loaded into the system, go ahead and click on 6 months. Otherwise, just say start with today. Once you finish that process, then I want you to notice what's here. This enable undo send just gives you the chance to, if you're sending an email from inside of the system, to bring it back. And right now I've only got it set for 5 seconds. You can do 30 seconds, 20 seconds. Just gives you one quick chance to say, oops, I forgot to change their name or their company name in the email. I don't want to send that, and bring it back. The other thing is to mark new messages as private by default. If you're the CEO of a company, or sometimes with attorneys and attorney-client privilege, things of that sort, people click that as yes if they don't want to see their email messages being shared to everybody, and that's fine. You definitely want to track opens and clicks. And then scroll down a little bit further. The last two other things I want to show you is the unsubscribe. You can enable unsubscribe. Now, I really just use the system for sales. I'm not using it for marketing and sending out a ton of emails to thousands and thousands of people. So I don't put unsubscribe links in my emails. But you certainly can do that and give people the option to opt out of your emails. The last thing is, in an automation, if you send out an email as part of an automation and they reply, they are removed from the automation. They're no longer going to be receiving emails, or you're not going to get notified. They've responded. Now, what if they're out of office and I'm on vacation? It still registers as a reply email. So the system also recognizes that's an out of office, and then it'll give them 1 week to come back from vacation, or you can put 2 weeks, and then it'll start right back up with the automation. The emails will begin again. So those are the only things that you need to set up. Hit save, and you're good to go, and we'll jump on the next thing next time I see you.